All of you to the F.T.P robotics show. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A21s smartphone. Let's get started.
As you can see, this is the box of Samsung Galaxy A21s smartphone. They have mentioned some features in the box. First, let's unbox it. After opening the cover, we can see the Samsung logo. And there is a small box which contains the paperwork of the phone. Next, we can see the Samsung Galaxy A21s smartphone. This is in blue color, but it gives a rainbow color reflection in it. And next we have the 3.5mm wired headphones and a USB to Type-C cable, and then we have a 15-watt charging brick. And finally we have the SIM tool.